This time on building terminology, the permanent survey mark. So the permanent survey mark is a mark which establishes permanently the location of an existing survey. So down on the right hand side of that slide you can see a datum and a benchmark, which we've sort of covered before. The one in the center is a trig point, which normally indicates a spot height on top of a hill, and the one on the left hand side is a state border marker. So they all indicate the position of an existing survey. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.